Hey guys, in this video I will discuss and share the example from order flow trading analysis, and I will share the method for finding a good buy and sell entry with the help of order flow chart. And for this example we will talk about gold chart from today's trading session, and this is a 5-minute chart, so we will discuss order flow chart on 5 minutes. And I will explain how I combine price action along with order flow for finding a good entry, or you can say for confirmation before entering into any trade. So this is a order flow chart, but before proceeding further, let's discuss this on you can say normal or plain, whatever you call that, or classical candlestick chart. So as you can see, this is the 5 minute on this candlestick chart or plain candlestick chart. So as you can see, we have seen a rejection over to 1950 area, and after rejection you can see we have seen support from the central pivot from CPR range, and again after bouncing from this we again see a, you can see from here that we have seen is support from this area. So how we can you can say how we can get a better confirmation before entering into this trade. As you can see, after this support and after retest over to this support nearly at this level, then we have seen a good, you can say, upside move from gold. So let's check this on uh, order flow chart, or you can say footprint chart. Let's discuss over that chart. So as you can see, if we look over to the time frame over here 1240, and the same on 5-minute chart here, as you can see here at this candlestick, this bullish candlestick, we have on the order flow, if you look carefully over this region or this zone, at this zone and over to delta at this point, you can clearly see that in previous you can say candlestick we do not have such large delta, but at this candlestick we have a large delta, and along with the large delta we have double buying imbalance. So this is a good confirmation that buyers are showing interest over this particular price level or this range. So as you can see, after moving forward we do not have much you can say large negative delta, but you can see that buying delta is increasing from this point to this point over to this time frame. So we can hold that particular buy or sell entry. So let's check how price you can say behave after this movement. So let me scroll the chart for you so that you will get a view how chart behave after this buying imbalance and this uh, positive delta. So as you can see from here, we have a very good upside move after this uh, buying imbalance, and on the price action we have a confirmation that gold is taking support on the pivot point, so this is also a plus point. So and as you can see, delta is you can see in green side from this bar, and you can see we have a good buy move. So this again you can see in this candlestick we have a high buying imbalance along with the positive delta. So this help us to find a good, or you can say we can hold those entry with the help of order flow chart. So let me give you example where we have seen a exhaustion, or you can see, or you can say absorption, or we can say a reversal. So as you can see on the chart over here, you can see after this much upside move we have seen some little correction over to this price level. So from the order flow, how to identify this, you can say, down move. So as you can see in the delta, or you can say in the delta bar, you can see that delta now started turning red, and you can see we can see from here that trend is ranging, and you can see that we have kind of absorption of orders over to this zone. But suddenly, as you can see over to this candle, let me mark with for you. As you can see over here, we have a large negative delta. Again, in this candlestick we have a large negative delta and a selling imbalance. So this indicate us you can say a correction phase, or you can enter in sell and sell entry from here. And you can see on the candlestick chart we have a good down move around from here. You can see 1958 to 1953. So for intraday or for scalping, you can use this order flow strategy for finding or for confirmation before entering into any trade. So this is the example from today's trading session for finding or for using order flow with your price action method. So this will help you to find a good entry. I will discuss with you more example in another video. So this is it for now. We will discuss more, and I will share some example in Telegram channel also. So thank you.